Sonja, welcome to the hot seat.
Hi.
We're asking today about what you think about Toastmasters and if you have some reason why you think somebody should try and join a Toastmasters club.
Sure. I joined Toastmasters when I saw it presented at the library, and it was Build Your Own Brand. And I am working on my brand, which is a couple of different brands. One is I do want to write, and the other one is that I do crafting. I make jewelry, and I'm starting to do tote bags. So building your own brand, I thought this would be interesting. Now, once I came into the group, and I found out that it was about speaking and building confidence and learning how to get your point across and being in such a supportive group of people that really help you to feel comfortable and confident and aspire to do your best. I enjoy the group. I look forward to coming every week. I would encourage anyone who even just want to build their confidence. Speaking does help you to do that. And you also learn a lot of things while you're in this class, in this group. Thank you.